4 months ago, Casey took his STI to its first drag racing event. Driving to the event went without a hitch and feeling strong. Unexpectedly, the car began spewing coolant after only a couple of passes down the strip. We suspected it would just be a bubble in the cooling system, but things went south. After multiple burps and using an engine block tester, we gave up and realized it was indeed a head gasket failure.
I'm just saying it's a head gasket. I'm calling it a head gasket, and we're gonna pull the engine.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
Welcome to the Big Turbo STI project.
Here we go. We're about to start the build.
The goal is 500 to 600 horsepower to the wheels. After a huge shopping spree and waiting for the right time, Casey decided on a ball bearing precision turbo 6266 with most of the supporting mods. But first, we need to set up the garage with lights and organize all of the brand new tools we purchased for the build.
Let's start with the easy stuff then.
Yeah.
Jack it up. Should we jack it up, or should we just take the fenders and shit off?
Let's take the fenders. Let's take the hood off. Let's do all that. We're gonna need to do that. So let's go. Working full-time jobs and raising a family is going to be the biggest challenge in the project. One can only wish they had a shop with knowledgeable staff on site to give their full and undivided attention readily available, but we don't. We're just two regular working class citizens who are making time to make a dream come true to reality in our own garages. All right, guys, car is up in the air. We already got the hood off. We got the battery already out. Casey's about to make a story, and yep, here we go. That was quick. All right, bumpers off. You guys will need to see all that. No big deal. Now it's time to take the coolant out. We started out with the easy stuff: battery, bumper, intercooler, intake, coolant, radiator, fans, alternator, header, etc. The truth is, we really don't know what we are doing. The last time I pulled an STI engine was in 2007.
Here we go. Nope, how much? Take it out?
Oh, it's coming.
There you go. Give us some love, Casey.
About to fuck my hands up.
Nothing came out.
Yeah. So it's real. Get those headers off, and then probably alternator. Get the stupid air pump off. That shit's just gonna disappear.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. All right, there's a couple of bolts back here. I did the front ones already. So there's a couple of bolts back here, and then we could just take this off.
On the back?
Yeah, somewhere.
How do I get? Oh, this bolt right here.
It's somewhere back there.
There's a bolt
No,
right
no, no.
there.
It's connected to the block somewhere.
Because you can't move it. And the back of the up pipe. Hold on. Why is this so loose?
Really?
Whoops.
I guess we never tightened the O2 sensor, huh? Oops. Now it's time to remove the Tomei unequal length header and list it for sale. Casey took the advice of a reputable tuner and engine builder and is going with an equal length header. Casey is still undecided on what header to purchase for the big turbo build. Any recommendations? Action.
Alright guys, so day one is done. The build has officially begun. We only spent a couple hours today just removing all the easy stuff like the hood, bumper, radiator, all the easy stuff. That's just easy to get out of the way. So next we're looking at pulling the intake manifold, getting this belt off somehow. Yeah, just more stuff to clear out of the way. And then I think we'll probably be ready to pull the engine here maybe by the end of the week, hopefully. Depending on how much time we got. Keep in mind we both have to work, so we'll be doing this after hours.
Yeah.
But we're gonna work as quickly as we can without killing ourselves, and hopefully get you guys some good content on the way.
And still spend time with our families.
Yeah, gotta do that too.
Yeah. Yeah. Do the outro, Casey.
Deuces.